Safety is at the heart of VeryOne continuous improvement policy. We apply this guideline in every aspect of our operations, anywhere, anytime. Since safety is also the top concern for our clients, we think it is important to provide regular updates on the best practices in case of 2EHN leakage. In case of VeryOne Cetane improver leakage, here are the recommended handling procedures. What to do in case of leakage detection? When a person finds any leakage, this person has to immediately inform the person in charge of health and safety. As soon as you see a leakage, you need to stop all engines of any sort in the surrounding area. Before any intervention, the workers should wear proper protection equipment, especially gas mask and reinforced gloves to avoid any contact with the skin. Turn off the discharge pump system to avoid any high pressure in the pipes. Then, secure the container valve. What to do with 2EHN waste? When you discover a leakage of VeryOne Cetane improver on an IBC or a drum, wear your safety equipment and use a pail to collect the drops. Stop the leakage by closing the valve or changing the seals. When the leakage is stopped, clean the system with a tissue and collect the 2EHN waste in an adequate drum for destruction. The soiled rags should be collected in a proper waste bin to be destroyed in an appropriate way. What to do when you see a leakage on a pipe? When you discover a leakage on a pipe, stop any equipment nearby, including the air compressor of the truck. Close the upstream valve. The person must wear all the proper protection equipment. Stop the spill by closing any intermediate valve. Isolate the area with appropriate warning signs. To collect the spill, you can use a spill kit for absorption. You can also use absorbent rolls or pads. All the contaminated rolls or pads should be collected and should be sent for destruction appropriately. Alternative solution is to use powder absorbent. Collect all the contaminated absorbent in appropriate bag to be sent for destruction. In case of incident in a laboratory with a broken bottle of VeryOne Cetane improver. First, isolate the contaminated place. Ventilate the room. Before an intervention, wear appropriate PPE, especially gas mask and reinforced gloves. Collect carefully the product and the broken glass with pads. All contaminated pads and broken pieces of glass should be collected for destruction. After the intervention, keep the area ventilated as much as possible. Remember, in case of any doubt, always refer to the safety data sheet. Do not hesitate to contact members of our team for any matters relating to the safety of use of the VeryOne Cetane improver. You can contact VeryOne by email at the following address: info@veryone.com.